Well, I want to do a quick little review on my Harbor Freight concrete mixer. It's a 3.5 cubic yard concrete mixer. I mixed up, I poured the concrete for a 16 by 32 slab right over there. I mixed up, using gravel, sand, and Portland cement. I kept track of it. Every time I got a 5-gallon bucket full of Portland cement, I made a check mark just so I could keep up with it. I mixed up 675 5-gallon buckets full of gravel, sand, and Portland in this concrete mixer, and I never had a single problem with it. Nothing came loose, nothing broke.